Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to Release Your Best. This is Adlan, your trainer in emotional and social intelligence. Welcome to the page of emotional conditioning for peak performances. But let's check this is for you. When reflecting on your goals or ambitions, do you sometimes don't know where to start, just cannot decide? Or wonder about what action you could take because there's just so many that you have to do? Or feel that maybe you're just stagnating or feeling that you're moving backwards. I'm talking about your clarity and your objectivity with your goals. But also, have you not been able to set the transformation that you want? Or have you also ever felt that no matter what you do you still feel that you haven't achieved your goals? Or you've been reading, studying self-help books, went to courses and still have no tangible results? I'm talking about your processes and the execution of your goals. Also, have you ever started a goal and stopped working towards it, working on it? Or have you ever felt the need to escape the reality? Or are you somehow caught up with disempowering habits, binge drinking, binge eating, or binge whatever that is? I'm talking and referring about your emotional consistency with hitting your goals. Because here's the problem. You may not have the necessary emotional preparation and support to reach your peak performance. And tackling these, addressing these questions, is the outcome of emotional conditioning for peak performance. And would it be useful for you to improve your productivity, your output, your performance, and stay motivated and on track with your goals? Create the future that you want, may it be in health, in wealth, or just well-being? And also, would it be helpful? Would it be useful for you to discover your ultimate purpose? Set your business and personal goals according to your ultimate purpose. Break through what may hold you back. Now, imagine how your life and career would be with emotional conditioning. How with this sequential process you would get the benefit of having the consciousness to success, how you can master the execution of your goals, how you could thrive and optimize your performance, but also how your life would be if you have the benefit of developing an optimal frame of mind, how you have a framework to boost your ability, how you have a support network to get tangible results. Because again, like everything else, it starts with your mind, how you are conditioning mentally and emotionally. And this is the process. This is the process of how you become emotionally conditioned for peak performances. And for lasting effective performance, the cycle of emotional conditioning are all defined by your goals, by your own execution. These are individual sessions. And for your customized process, these tend to be between half hour to an hour meeting every 10 to 14 days for 3 to 6 to 12 months. It's totally up to you. And you can scroll down to the page where you can see specifically the details about the process. And one thing I want to clarify and highlight, the speed and length is all set by you, by the goal, but also by your execution. You're here to get a support and accountability network, but also objectivity and rationality for you to complete. So all completion and execution is linked to you. But what you can have is 100% guarantee. Receive tools and processes to reach your goals. Also, how you can build your autonomy. Learn how you can condition yourself to become more empowered and autonomous in reaching your peak performance. Receive unconditional support and objectivity in a positive and open environment to achieve and overachieve or succeed into your goal. Now, you may have questions about the process. So what you can do is to scroll down all the way down and have more details about the process, but also the FAQ section, frequently asked questions. And if you want to know more about this process, you can of course schedule a one-to-one conversation where I can answer your most unique and individualized questions about this process of emotional conditioning. In the meantime, go release your best.